您好，同学们。Today we will learn and revise once again 你几岁? Now let's get started. First of all, let's revise once again 汉语数字. 汉语数字means Chinese number. Repeat after me. E R 三四五六七八九十同学们, now we have the question and answer part. Look at the question. 你几岁? That means how old are you? Okay, look at the answer part. There is a blank. So in that blank part, you need to put 数字, that means number. For example, if you are 6 years old, for number 6 we say 6. Then you can say 我6岁. That means I am 6 years old. For example, if you are 7 years old, then for number 7 we say 7. Then you can say 我7岁. That means I am 7 years old. 懂了吗? Understood? Now I will ask your age and you need to say your age. Ready? 1、2、3，你几岁? Once again, 你几岁? 很好，谢谢。Now reading part. I will read red color and then you will read green color. Ready? 1、2、3，你几岁? Once again, 你几岁? 很好，你几岁? 我5岁。Once again, 你几岁? 你几岁? 很好，你几岁? 我7岁。你几岁? 我7岁。很好。Now you ask me a question, then I will say the answer. Okay? 1、2、3，开始。你好，我6岁。Once again. 你好，我6岁。很好。你好，你几岁? That means how old are you? 你好，我6岁。That means I am 6 years old. 很好，谢谢。Once again, ask me a question. I will say the answer. Okay? 1、2、3，开始。你好，妈妈，我5岁。Once again. 你好，妈妈，我5岁。很好。你好，你几岁? That means hello. How old are you? 你好，妈妈，我5岁。Hello, mom. I am 5 years old. That's all for today's revision. I hope this video was super helpful to you. 谢谢大家，下次见。Thank you and see you in next video.